Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to enable voice chat on Roblox in 2025. So for that, first of all, you have to go to your browser and open a tab and search for Roblox, and it has directly taken me to the home page. I might have just to sign up or log in to get on the home page. And let me give you information. So to enable voice chat, you have to verify your age is 13 plus. It's mandatory, and if you do not verify it, the voice chat option will not show on your profile. So after coming to the homepage, you can see there are many options here. We just have to click on the settings menu here, and after that we have to just click on settings, and here you can see the account infos are here, just like this, the Gmail login method and all, and it is asking me to verify my age. You have to just verify your age. So if you click on that, it will require some valid government issued ID or and a well lit room. Be prepared to take a selfie and photos of your ID. And after you click on begin verifying, you just have to provide your government issued ID or passport, and you just have to take some selfies and some photos of your ID, and your account will be verified. And after verifying your account like that, you have to just reload the page once, and after that you have to click on the privacy and content restrictions, and click on the communication section here, and you can see a voice chat option here, as I have not verified my account with my valid ID, and that's why it's not showing here. And when you verify your account, that there will be a option called voice chat. You just have to click on that and give permission, like enable voice input, and you have to just click on this option and just make sure to save it, and save successfully, and you can just reload the page and again, and then you can ready to use voice chat on Roblox. And see you on the next video.